Hey guys, so today I have a really fun video to do today. At least it's fun for me. I had ordered from Colourpop their Sweet Talk Collection, but I got it in the mail yesterday and I asked my followers on Instagram whether or not I should go ahead and open it or make a video unboxing it. And a lot of you guys asked for unboxing, so with a lot of patience, I did. I'm just ready to freaking open it. It says, "You are a sunflower," and it's the little Colourpop card. That's really cute. So I got two of these Super Shock blushes. This is my first time ever buying one of their Super Shock cheeks, and I'm really excited. I got the shade Count Me In and Growth Flirt. I was about to say Growth. I don't know why that's twisting me up. Growth Flirt. So really excited to open these. I'm gonna give you a little close-up of what the unicorns look like. This is kind of like what it's starting to look like. Really cute packaging all around. Has the name, is it backwards? Yeah, it's upside down. It's right here, colourpop.com, and it says, "You light up the room." I don't know if you can see that, hold on. It says, "You light up the room," and it kind of, it's really cute. And then we have here are the Luxe lipsticks that came out in the collection. I bought 3 of them and they're really cute. I absolutely love the style they went with, like this edgy kind of girly look. And these are all the 3 colors I bought. I bought Thyme, You're Thriving, and Spring Roll. And then the product that like everybody, if you gonna get something out of this collection, you gonna get is the palette. Like, I mean, hello, it's gorgeous, and the stuff in it literally had me so interested in buying it. So let's just take a moment of appreciation for this packaging. Like, the graphic designers and everything who created this did such a beautiful, amazing job. I just love the gold foil going around it, the shiny parts, the like embossing or glaze or whatever you want to call it. And here's all the shades and like kind of like this holographic-ish look. It's coming off holographic. I guess it is, isn't it? And it has the shade names on the back. Absolutely pretty. Oh, love the packaging so much. And oh, y'all are seeing it before me. Look. Oh my god. I love it. Look at this. So freaking cute. Okay. I mean, just look at that. Like, the camera can't even do it justice. It's so gorgeous, you guys. Oh, look at that shade. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, cool. I feel like the rainbow is going to show it off a little different. I know, Cleo, right? She loves it. I know. What obviously drew me in on this whole palette was the fact that it said that it had a Super Shock shadow in it that is meant not to dry out. It's made specifically in the palette so it won't dry out. And then on top of that, it had 2 pressed glitters, which are Early Morning and Prima Donna right here. And then I'm believing that side to side is that Super Shock shadow. I know I'm not the only one that gets tongue twisted on it. Also, I really love the color scheme here. It's so pretty. Like, it's just super neutral with these really pretty pops of pink that aren't too crazy, especially for people who, you know, just want to do everyday looks and want something that's pretty but not dramatic. And, you know, if you want to zhuzh it up and make it dramatic, you've got a few options right here. So, I mean, I want to do some swatches. If you don't believe in swatches, that's totally fine. I just do it because for me, it's a reference as to what the colors look like. So, okay, the first shade I have here is Catch Me, and then this shade here is Side to Side, and oh my gosh, look at it. It's so pretty. Can you see that? I like it a lot. It's very much of a beige tone, like on my finger. You can see that it's like picking up dark, and then, you know, you see the shimmer coming on. So that's 2 layers. I absolutely love that. So Garden Date. Ooh, that's pretty. It's different. I don't have a color like this. But that's nice. It's like a little kind of satiny color. And then you have Work It, which this is like a really pretty transition shade. Oh my god. Look at that. Really cute. yeah, this has a really nice color to it. It's not super orange, but it's like a orangey yellow. The next row is the glitter shade Prima Drama. Oh, you guys, oh my gosh. Can you see that? Wow, Vivian, way to be out of frame. Meadow. Okay. Very pretty. It's like a nice, vibrant little, like, coral shade, I guess is what you would call it. Then we have Early Morning. It looks like it has like reddish orange colors going through it. Oh wow, let's pack that on again. Wow, that's so pretty. Dream Maker, which is like this light pinky shade. It's kind of like a watermelon kind of, it's got a warmth to it. Like literally obsessed with Prima Drama. Okay, after that hassle, that glitter would not come off, but I think I got it off for the most part. I'm gonna go in with I don't really know what that means, but it's like a really pretty like terracotta. Ooh. Then we have Melody. Melody. Very soft. It's kind of the weakest shade out of this palette, to be honest. Then we have West Side. Ooh, love that brown. It's a really good brown. Last but not least, we have Feel Free. Ooh. Very pretty, very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to swatch on my hand Growth Flirt real quick. And I'm also going to swatch the Count Me In shade. Ooh, wow, that is creamy. I didn't expect it actually to be that creamy. Like I put my finger in it, I'm expecting to feel like a super shock, but like no, it's wetter. Ooh, really, really pretty. Wow. I don't even know if it's gonna pick up. Like, wow, look at that. Okay, so I guess with that, let's just go ahead and get into an eye look with this. So I'm gonna take the shade Dream Maker on a fluffy Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to apply this in my crease. Ooh, look at that pigment. It's really blending very beautifully. I think I'm gonna go in with Work It, which is that really pretty like tangerine-y like orange shade, and add that too. Go back in with that Dream Maker. I'm gonna go in with Catch Me also to kind of blend out the edges, because I think I added that orange up a little too high. Now I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Meadow because it's kind of a warmer shadow shade. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love, love, love this. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. Okay, 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 okay. And now I think I'm gonna go in with ICYMI. I want to just say ICMI. ICMI? I don't know. I'm gonna go with that on top. That definitely is making it pull more orange, adding this shade, which I mean makes sense because it's kind of like a terracotta. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that blender brush again, but it has no product on it, and I'm going to use this to help kind of soften it up and blend it all together and just show one giant mess of color and kind of bring it into the transition. Why not? Fan it out because we're going whimsical. And I'm going to go in with Feel Free. Just tap off a lot of it because I already know this shade's going to be real dark. And just pat it on the outside, and then I'm going to try to blend it out with a blender brush. I'm going to mix ICMI and Feel Free just a tiny, tiny bit, and go back in here. I'm going to go back in with Icy. Bring that warmth back. I feel like that was a little too dark. You know what? I kind of do feel like a center halo. So I think I'm going to take Meadow and bring that in here, just a smidge. And then I'm going to go in with Icy MI. And then I'm just going to add the tiniest amount of Feel Free with Icy. And probably pack that right here. Okay, she kind of cute, maybe? No, I don't know. And then I'm going to go with my Dream Maker shade, that really light pink we used. Kind of put that on top and bridge it. Now I think what I want to do here is I'm going to go in with Side to Side And ooh, look at that shade. I'm just going to kind of spread it out on the lid, to be honest. And blend out the edge. Like so. Ooh, get away. I'm not really sure how I feel about this look. I think because I made it really soft, but from afar it looks really cool. Like it's kind of like a wet look, but like shimmery, you know what I mean? I'll say the Super Shock gets like everywhere. And I am going with Icy MI and then Meadow on top to kind of soften it. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm just going to go do the other eye real quick and I'll be right back. And I'm using my concealer to help kind of clean up the edges a little bit. I'm going to take Dream Maker, which was that really pretty light pink, and put it underneath my eye. I'm going to add Work It, which is that orange shade. I really use that to kind of smoke it out. And then obviously for the inner corners, I'm going to go in with Side to Side. I put Melody in there actually. And then I'm going to top Melody with Side to Side. Now next I want to go in with the Colourpop blush in Count Me In. I'm going to put this on my finger first and see how that goes. I'm going to apply it to my cheeks. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. Look at it. It's like the prettiest little blushy pink I've ever seen. This is a really natural flush for me. Let's go in with Growth Flirt. Yeah, Growth Flirt on this side. Okay, yeah, she's way more vibrant, but she's cute. Oh, I'm kind of... I know I'm going a little overboard right now, but I really like that a lot. I love that shade, even on me right now. Like, it's really cute, especially for like a minimalistic makeup vibe. That's really cute. And I think what I want to try is using this blush with a stippling brush. This is from e.l.f. And I'm just gonna put this Count Me In shade on because it's a little lighter and build it up. Definitely if I had an orangier blush, it would go a lot better with this look since I did pull it actually way more orangey than I expected. Overall though, I really love this color. Probably use my sponge to help soften it. Okay, I definitely have blushed myself to the max right now, but I really like it. I like the look. So now we have the 3 shades right here in the Lippy Luxe. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna do like a montage music or something over this, so like we could just speed it up, you know what I mean? You know? I'm so impressed. They were so smooth and pigmented. I was so shocked because like I didn't think they were gonna be bad, and like I watched videos and people really loved them and were really impressed, but like it's different when you actually like put it on your mouth and, you know, test it yourself. And it's just so like wow. Like honestly, if you want to get a lipstick, I would definitely recommend one of theirs. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick with Spring Roll on my lips. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Oh my gosh, I really like this palette. I like it a whole lot. When it comes to the blushes, this is the first time I've ever tried their blushes and I'm in love. Love these 2 colors so much. Absolutely gorgeous. Count Me In is amazing for fair skin, like pale skin, like girl, like I'm basically porcelain and this looks so beautiful on me. But as for this palette, hands down, so beautiful. Love it so much. I think this is perfect for the upcoming spring. And if you're looking for shades that are a little bit on the pinky, peachy side, coral side, you know, everyday wear shadows, this is absolutely perfect. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for hanging out with me, and I appreciate it so much. I really do. So if you did enjoy this video, let me know, and let me know if there's any certain looks you want me to do, or like certain shadows you want me to use, or whatever, or let me know what you bought from the collection if you bought it. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!